Hi guys, it's Miss New In here. Welcome to our first online visual art class together. You should have a visual arts pack that has the front page that looks like this. It has a bit of the rainbow colors and the scissors overlapping each other. So the next few lessons we're going to be experimenting with found objects. So just objects around your home. So today we are learning to use found objects to create abstract arts. And your success criteria is I can collect different materials around the home, I can lay different objects on a piece of paper, I can trace objects and add colour to my layout. So I found a few things around my home. So I don't even know what this is. I think it's a brick clip fastener, a scissors, a USB 3 cable, liquid paper strips, and keys. So in your pack, you will have blank paper. So all you need to do is get your object. So say for example, I'm going to use my scissors. You'll need a grey lead and you just need to trace your object. Now, just gonna place and press down on your object and trace around it. So I'm just gonna trace my scissors as I was inspired by that other picture. Any gaps that you see, just tracing the shapes. So there's one. And you can overlap as well, so I might go like that. Ooh. Make sure you press it down when you're tracing it or you'll lose your line. Ooh. Okay, open scissors are a little bit tricky to trace because they move a lot. Note to self, note to you guys as well. Ooh. Oh, it keeps moving. Closed scissors are easier, guys, just as a recommendation for you. So there's another outline. I'm going to trace my brick fastener. I'm just gonna put it randomly anywhere. This one feels like it's gonna stay still, but I'm still gonna press down on it and just trace around the shape. Now, if you only find one object, you can use the same object over and over again. I'm just tracing. I might put this cable in. I might get these. You should lay them down flat, but so there you go. I've traced a few objects. Now everywhere in my outline, so notice here that I've got shapes that overlap. For each section, it needs to be a different color. So I'm just gonna color it in. You can use pencil if you like, you can use texture, you can use whatever you have at home. I am just going to experiment. And I'm just going to trace around this section here, and then I'm just going to colour it in. I'm only going to use a few colours just so that it doesn't get too busy for me. So guys, this is the finished piece. It's your turn to experiment now. Experiment with color, experiment with objects, make it interesting, and it doesn't actually need to make sense. Have fun, and if you like what you created, or if you can, upload onto Seesaw so we can have a look.